Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today I'll show you Cloud Chat 3 SaaS live support chat business. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, total chat, total message, total feedback, total visitors. Scroll down, you can see all visitors. Next demo receipt. Then latest offline message, download and support. Another option is online visitors. You can see all online visitors data. Chat history, you can see all chat history, and chat contact history, you can see all contact history, and components, stakes, then public group chat, chat widget, and general settings, say department, then response, chatbot, about, tip, field, button, URL back, then status logs, operating history, user, then settings, management, supplicate, all you can customize. If you need it, check the link in the description for the installing help. Contact us.